Hello everybody, my name is Julio Lopez, I'm from Lima, Peru, and I would like to introduce you Videodrome for CS50. Videodrome is the application that I create for the course Introduction to Programming with Python for the course, and this application is focused in deliver movies by requesting for the customers. It's something like Blockbuster because we love a lot of 90s. So we have the possibility to rent movies by paying $20 each movie. We have three options of movies: the popular, the rank, and now playing. So if we want to choose a movie, for example, we enter a category, and a list of movie is displayed. For example, we have this movie. For example, if we want to rent Robot Apocalypse, we look for the ID. And we can see all the details regarding to this movie: the title, the summary, the gender, the release date, and the vote average. For example, we have three options here also. If we want to rent this movie, enter 1. If we don't want to rent, 2, and quit, 3. For example, if we want to rent the movie, so we have here a summary display with the details of the movie that we have shown. We have the option also to add another movie. For example, we are going to put option 1 to add another movie and look for another movie by details, ID details. For example, if we choose leave the world behind, we have the details here. So if we are happy with the selection that we have done, we can put the enter number 1 to rent the movie. So we add to the summary. We have two movies here. So if we want to finish and rent this movie, we can finish order by put number 2. When we put number 2, some information is requested by the application. For example, the address. I'm going to put the address and the customer name. So in this case, once we have complete this order, a file is created with the details of the order. For example, we can see here the votes of the movies that I have chose. So with the details of the movies and the price I have to pay, as I said before, each movie is $20. As I choose two movies, the price is $40. Well, this is my project. Thank you very much for your attention, and good save Videodrome. Thank you very much.